Hi, I'm Apurvi and today we are making pumpkin sauce here in Spoiled by Coco. Watch it till the end. I'll show you two different ways to make it. Let's begin. Here I have peeled and chopped pumpkin. I have sliced them small to make cooking faster. I'm using a yellow green variety of pumpkin today since the orange variety is not readily available in most places. I'm going to divide it into two bowls. The first method, boiling method, I'll transfer the pumpkin to our pan. Add water. Water level should be just above pumpkin slices. Put it on flame and let it come to a simmer. Once it starts to simmer, cover with a lid and cook on low flame for 12 to 15 minutes. Check with a knife or a fork to see if they have cooked. They should be soft and tender but not mushy. Cook it further to boil water. Let it cool down before grinding. The second method, roasting method, drizzle little amount of flavorless oil and give everything a toss. Adding oil is optional. You can bake these pumpkin as it is. Now spread them on a baking tray that is lined with silicone mat or a reusable baking sheet. Spread them evenly. Bake these in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius first for 10 to 12 minutes. Then take them out and give them a stir to mix. Then again bake these at 200 degrees Celsius for 12 to 14 minutes till they are soft, tender and slightly caramelized. They should not be mushy. I'll remove the one that has charred a little as it will give burnt taste as well as darken the pumpkin sauce color. Let them cool down. Blend them into a fine puree. Sieve to make them smooth. For the boiling method puree, if it seems too watery, cook on a low flame for 5 minutes till it thickens. You can also add half tablespoon corn flour and mix. Continue to cook till it thickens. Consistency should be like this. Transfer to an airtight container. Store in refrigerator for up to 5 to 7 days. You should definitely try this simple pumpkin sauce recipe at home. It is much better than the store-bought one. And now you know two ways to make it. Taste-wise, I feel like the roasting method sauce tastes much better. But it's up to you. Make this and stay tuned for fall season recipe. Thank you for watching Spoiled by Coco.